Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. This is gonna be a fun collab because there's 3 people involved with this collab this time. There's me, myself, the lazy housewife, and there's also LiveLaughLoveMommy, who I do a lot of collabs with because she's awesome, and then also NesterBug. I'm so excited because I just recently did a collab with NesterBug by cleaning out our cars together. My car desperately needed it, and I put myself out there. It was really bad, and I'm just real like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not seen it yet, definitely head over to it and watch it after you watch our collab videos today. Alright guys, today we're doing Cookie Collab. I am so excited. I was gonna do this awesome like cookie recipe that I saw from a cookbook that I have, and it's like has watermelon slices. It just looks really cool, but I was like, I have never made this before. I don't know if it's gonna be any easy, if it's gonna be easy, or if it's gonna be rough. And it was so close to the deadline of making this video, so I was like, I'm gonna make something I know is awesome and quick, easy, inexpensive. You know how I do. And what I'm doing is I'm making funfetti cake cookies for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And after watching this, head over to NesterBug's channel and head over to LiveLaughLoveMommy's channel and watch their videos, see what they created as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe to them if you have not already. They're both awesome ladies. You will always love their videos. All right, you guys, let's get to baking. So what you will need is a box of funfetti cake mix. Sprinkles are optional, but they're always fun. 2 eggs and some cooking oil. Alright, first things first, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, now we're going to add the ingredients. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil instead if you'd like, but I like to use olive oil. And now we're going to add the 2 eggs. My husband is super fascinated by the fact that I can do that one-handed. And we're going to stir this up, and then we'll mix in the sprinkles. Remember this from my IKEA haul, you guys? It is a little tougher to mix all the stuff in because it all wants to clump together pretty good. So this might take a little bit longer than it normally would if you had mixed it with water as well. So no water in this mixture. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now let's add the sprinkles. Riley will like these because they are shaped like fishes. He loves his species. Mix it a little bit more. Now we don't even have to add sprinkles to this because it already is a sprinkle type of cake mix because it's a funfetti, but I thought adding a little extra sprinkles would be extra fun. It smells so good, you guys. I love the smell of it. It smells so good. Jaden had to catch a whiff. Alright guys, so now we are going to spray our cookie sheet with some cooking oil, and then we're going to take round spoonfuls, about 2 tablespoons each for each cookie, on the cookie sheet. It's going to be this cookie sheet, but it is still alright. It still works the same. I'm just using the Great Value butter flavored cooking spray. I love that stuff. I love when it has that butter flavor to it. Just to me, it just tastes better. So now we're going to, I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to use just a spoon. So it says round spoonfuls. We're just going to set them on here. Jaden, can you turn down the TV so I don't get any copyright claims? Thanks, babe. Alright, there's that. Alright, now they're all on the cookie sheet,
And now to put it in the oven.
All right, now to put in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright you guys, how was it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to head over to NesterBug's channel and also to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and watch their videos and like them and subscribe to them because you will love everything that they have to show you. Their content is amazing. So I wouldn't be friends with them if it wasn't. I'm just kidding, I'm not like that. But they are great and I know you will love them. So definitely head over to them right after you watch this if you have not yet, and subscribe to them and watch their channels and like, because I'm excited to see what they're making. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited to see what kind of cookie they have baking. So, alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. Ah, Riley's freaking out too. Alright guys,